Welcome to Bike Future. Today, we're diving into an exciting new electric cycle that's creating waves in the world of eco-friendly transportation, the Hero A2B Electric Cycle. With sustainability, innovation, and performance at its core, let's explore what makes this electric cycle a game-changer. Design and build quality. The Hero A2B Electric Cycle comes with a sleek, modern design that balances aesthetics and functionality. The sturdy frame is made from lightweight yet durable materials, offering both strength and comfort for the rider. Its ergonomic design ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, whether you're navigating through the city or taking a longer journey. The attention to detail in the construction gives it an attractive finish while maintaining the robustness needed for daily commuting. Performance and power. At the heart of the Hero A2B is its powerful motor, designed to offer a seamless riding experience. With a 250W motor, the bike delivers smooth acceleration and a reliable performance. The motor is highly efficient, ensuring that the bike can handle different terrains, whether it's flat city roads or slight inclines. Paired with a 36V battery, this electric cycle offers an impressive range of 110 to 120 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for both short commutes and longer trips. Battery life and charging. The Hero A2B Electric Cycle boasts an efficient battery that provides an extended range. In just 4 to 6 hours of charging, you can have your bike ready for another full day of riding. Its smart charging system ensures that the battery lasts longer, making it an excellent option for daily commuters. The long-lasting battery life and quick charge time give the rider confidence to travel longer distances without worrying about running out of power. Comfort and ride quality. What sets the Hero A2B apart from the competition is its focus on rider comfort. The cycle is equipped with a high-quality suspension system that absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces, making the ride smoother. Additionally, the comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars allow riders to customize the fit, ensuring maximum comfort during long rides. Safety features. Safety is paramount, and the Hero A2B Electric Cycle comes with integrated LED lights, both front and rear, for better visibility, especially when riding at night. The disc brakes offer excellent stopping power, providing reliable braking performance in various conditions. With the added safety features, you can ride confidently, knowing you're well protected. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Hero A2B Electric Cycle is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to make the switch to electric transportation. With a remarkable range of 110 to 120 kilometers, solid performance, and a comfortable design, it's a great investment for anyone seeking an eco-friendly, practical, and fun way to travel. Whether you're commuting or enjoying a leisurely ride, this e-bike promises to take